Smartstone is insane. Like, as soon as I walked in, I was like, oh my God. I've never seen it in its slabs before. I've only ever seen it when it's been, you know, as a kitchen bench. So it's super exciting to be able to see like what the veins and everything look like, and then you can kind of see how it's going to translate into your bench.
So these are our polished finishes. So you've got the Armani Classico, which is quite white, which you probably didn't want.
No.
And then we've got the Bianco Onyx, which has a lot of movement in the background. It's a very subtle vein, but you can see there's a lot of beautiful sort of secondary veining and movement.
I'm super excited to see this kitchen come together. Like, the black with the walnut already looked cool, but now the fact that we're putting in this really wicked Smartstone, it's just going to make it look really sleek, really sophisticated, modern, but masculine as well.
So with your stone, we're going Smartstone.
Okay.
Okay, so you can choose from any of these. What's leaking out at the moment?
That one.
That's brand new.
That's
I like
nice,
that.
yeah.
That's really beautiful.
That's definitely Miami Beach penthouse, that one there, I think. I'm feeling good about that.
I feel great about that actually, yeah.